One sunny day, lots of workers gathered to help the pharaoh. They were very strong and had a clever plan. The workers pushed the stones on big logs to make them roll. Push, push, the workers shouted happily, and the stones moved to the pyramid place. Then they built a ramp like a long slide to lift the stones up high. Every time they finished, the pyramid got closer to the sky. Hooray! The workers cheered when the pyramid was finally done. They all danced around, proud of their work. These pyramids were special places to remember the pharaohs forever. And that is how the ancient pharaohs built the pyramids with great care and teamwork. Would you like to visit one? Once upon a time, in the land of the Great River Nile, the pharaohs of Egypt had a grand vision. They wanted to build something magnificent, great pyramids that would touch the sky. These impressive structures were not just places for the pharaohs after their time on earth. They were symbols of their power and wisdom. The workers, led by the skilled architects, were tasked with this incredible feat. The stones for the pyramids were enormous and heavy. Some say they were quarried from places far away. To move them, the workers used wooden sleds, pouring water on the sand to help the stones slide easily. "Keep it moving!" the foreman shouted as the stones inched closer to their destination. Then came the construction. Workers built large ramps out of mud brick and stone, spiraling around the pyramid to be. Up and up they went, rolling the stones higher with each layer. Day by day, under the golden sun, the pyramids grew taller. Finally, after many seasons had passed, the monumental task was finished. The gleaming pyramids stood, with their limestone casing shining brightly in the sunlight. The pharaoh's dreams had come true, leaving a legacy that would last for thousands of years. Would you have liked to be part of this awe-inspiring endeavor? Long ago, in the vast lands of Egypt, Pharaoh Akhman was determined to leave behind a legacy. He gathered his most trusted advisors and shared his grand vision to build a pyramid, a monument that would stand the test of time. Pharaoh Akhman knew well the importance of location. "We must choose a site near the Nile River," he instructed. The river allowed for the easy transportation of the massive stones needed to construct the pyramid. His advisors scouted the land and found an elevated plateau. "This plateau will offer us structural stability," proclaimed the chief architect. "Indeed," agreed Akhman. "It shall protect our pyramid from the Nile's flood waters." With the site selected, the Egyptians set to the task of planning. They used simple tools such as ropes, rulers, and triangles to measure with precision. "The pyramid must be perfect," said the master builder. The sides of the pyramid were aligned precisely to the cardinal directions: north, south, east, and west. "This alignment," explained the wise builder, "is crucial to the harmony and balance of our creation." Soon all was ready. The site was chosen for its proximity to the Nile, ensuring that the river could transport materials. The plateau would ensure stability, while the geometric planning ensured perfect alignment. Under Pharaoh Akhman's watchful eye, the pyramid began to rise from the sands, a testament to Egyptian ingenuity and the wise choice of site and design. Centuries later, it still graced the land, a reminder of the pharaoh's vision and the timeless skill of his people. Once upon a time in ancient Egypt, a pharaoh dreamed of leaving a legacy that would endure for centuries. He envisioned a grand pyramid that would pierce the sky, shining in the sun. To begin this monumental task, workers needed to procure the best raw materials. The locals knew of the abundant limestone quarries situated nearby. Limestone was crucial for the pyramid's outer casing, which would give the structure its gleaming white appearance. The workers, guided by the sun, set out to quarry the limestone, unaware of the tale they were weaving into history. While the limestone was close at hand, granite demanded a journey of hundreds of kilometers. This rock was essential for crafting the internal chambers, including the king's chamber. The workers traveled to Aswan, known for its quarries brimming with solid, reliable granite. Each piece brought back was treasured for its strength and durability. The task at the quarries was not easy. They employed simple tools like copper chisels and stone hammers, combined with strong wooden implements, to cut and shape the mighty stones. With sweat-drenched foreheads under the relentless sun, the workers chipped away, each stroke a testament to human persistence and ingenuity. As the pyramid began to take shape, its brilliance was undeniable, a result of careful procurement and the masterful skill of its builders. The gleaming limestone casing, smooth and unblemished, reflected the pharaoh's ambition. Inside, the granite chambers spoke of journeys and labors from distant lands. Thus, the Great Pyramid became not only a testament to the pharaoh, but a tribute to the workers and materials that brought a dream into reality. The simple tools, the glistening limestone, and the solid granite ensured that this marvel of architecture would endure, capturing the imagination of all those who beheld it. Long ago, in the dusty plains of ancient Egypt, a magnificent project was underway. The pharaoh had commissioned the construction of the Great Pyramid, a structure that would stand tall for millennia. To achieve this monumental task, they needed a way to transport the gigantic stones from remote quarries. The Egyptians devised clever methods to move the stones over great distances. One of the methods involved using wooden sledges to carry the massive stone blocks across the desert. To make this process easier, they smartly used wet sand beneath the sledges. This wet sand reduced friction, allowing the sledges to glide more smoothly as workers dragged them across the land. But how were these stones brought from quarries far away? The answer lay in the mighty Nile River. Boats, crafted with great skill, were used to transport these massive stones along the river's flowing waters. The stones were loaded onto the boats and sailed downstream to the construction site. The construction of the pyramid was not just about ingenuity in transporting stones. It was also an extraordinary demonstration of organization. Hieroglyphic inscriptions from that era reveal the presence of highly organized labor teams. These teams comprised thousands of workers, each contributing their effort in shifts, ensuring that work continued smoothly day and night. Thus, through the combination of inventive methods of transportation and the tireless labor of well-organized teams, the great stones were transported to their destination. The Great Pyramid eventually rose from the sands to become a timeless testament to human endeavor. In the heart of ancient Egypt, the mighty pyramid stood as a testament to the ingenuity and determination of humanity. These ancient giants required careful planning and construction techniques that amazingly still baffle many today. The first step in building a pyramid was to create ramps. These ramps, made from mud brick and sand, served as the vital pathways to elevate stones to incredible heights. Ingeniously designed, the ramps could be straight, leading directly up to the side of the pyramid, or they might spiral gracefully around its structure. This allowed for the immense stone blocks to be transported upwards with great efficiency. Once the blocks reached their intended place, the next phase was assembly. Each stone block had to be precisely placed to ensure the pyramid would stand for millennia. This monumental task was achieved using a combination of wooden levers and strong ropes. The workers would carefully leverage the blocks into position, meticulously leveling them to guarantee the structural integrity of the pyramid. This precise leveling was critical, as it meant that the enormous weight of the stones was evenly distributed, preventing collapse and ensuring durability. Through sheer ingenuity, patience, and determination, the ancient Egyptians mastered the art of construction, creating what are now historical treasures known around the world. Their remarkable techniques continue to inspire modern architects and engineers today. Once upon a time, in the heart of ancient Egypt, there was a renowned pyramid standing proudly under the sun. This pyramid was not just a grand monument, but inside it held a world of intricately designed rooms and passages. The king's chamber was the grandest of all. Constructed with high-quality limestone, it looked spectacular in the flickering light of the torches. Nearby was the queen's chamber, crafted with exquisite granite that stood even the test of thousands of years. The genius of the ancient architects did not stop there. They designed ascending passageways that glided through the massive stone structure. These passageways operated as silent guardians, guiding the explorers deeper into the mystery of the pyramid. As the visitors wandered through the climbing paths, they marveled at the exceptional use of limestone and granite used throughout. One day, a young scholar named Lena embarked on a mission to explore these chambers. Her heart was full of excitement as the limestone walls of the king's chamber surrounded her. She had heard tales of how important the ventilation was to make these structures habitable, and as she ventured further, she discovered the thoughtfully built ventilation shafts. These ventilation shafts are crucial, thought Lena. They help sustain the structure's internal environment, ensuring the passages remain unyielding even after millennia. With awe in her heart, Lena carefully explored the queen's chamber, noting the intricate designs and the cool breeze slipping through the shaft. This craftsmanship, with its exquisite granite complementing the limestone, shows how advanced they were, she mused. Once upon a time, in ancient Egypt, the mighty pharaoh Khufu embarked on building a grand pyramid. The pyramid, with its monumental structure, was a testament to his power and the Egyptians' architectural prowess. As the construction drew to its final finishing, skilled workers painstakingly lined the exterior casing with polished white limestone. Each piece of limestone was carefully positioned so that when the golden sunlight kissed its surface, it would reflect brilliantly. The pyramid stood out under the vast, clear skies, shining like a magnificent jewel in the heart of the sandy desert. Inside the pyramid, the decorators took great care to adorn the walls with intricate carvings. The interior walls were adorned with religious texts that whispered the sacred beliefs and stories of the gods. These inscriptions were complemented by beautiful depictions of daily Egyptian life, illustrating the farmers, traders, and scribes in their pursuits. These decorations were crafted not only to honor the divine, but also to capture the essence of a life shared with friends and family. Every corner of the pyramid seemed to echo with the life and beliefs of its creators. Thus, standing against time, the pyramid remained a luminous symbol of a civilization that thrived along the Nile, immortalized in white limestone and inscribed tales. In ancient Egypt, near the vast desert, stood the colossal pyramids. Contrary to the tales of forced labor, recent studies reveal that the workers who built these monumental structures were not slaves, but skilled laborers. These workers were highly valued for their expertise and were compensated with food and housing, ensuring their loyalty and contribution to the grand project. The construction of the pyramids spanned decades, during which these laborers showcased incredible skill and craftsmanship. They were adept in various trades, from stone masonry to tool making, each contributing to the seamless creation of the pyramid's grandeur. Their skill was evident in the precise alignment and smooth surfaces of the enormous stone blocks. Supporting these workers was a sophisticated administrative system. This management was crucial to the project's success, coordinating the efforts of thousands of laborers and ensuring a harmonious operation. The administrative system managed workers efficiently, assigning tasks that matched the expertise of each laborer. The management's role extended beyond mere coordination. It was their responsibility to ensure that the workers were well fed and housed, motivating them to continue their hard work despite the harsh conditions. This approach results in a well-organized workforce capable of sustaining the long-term commitment required to complete such massive constructions. Through this ingenious combination of skilled labor and adept management, the pyramids not only became a symbol of architectural marvel, but also stood testament to the advanced organizational abilities of ancient civilization. The workers and management together built one of the most iconic wonders of the ancient world, leaving an indelible mark on history. In ancient Egypt, the majestic pyramids rose against the desert skyline. These monumental structures were more than just royal tombs. They were believed to be the pharaoh's gateway to the afterlife, a celestial journey beyond the stars. Despite their grandeur, the pyramids held even deeper mysteries. The Egyptians, renowned for their astronomical prowess, had aligned the pyramids with specific celestial bodies. This alignment was no mere coincidence. It mirrored their deeply held religious beliefs. Every evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, priests and astronomers gathered at the pyramid's base. The pharaohs believed their souls ascended into the heavens. The alignment with celestial bodies, like Sirius, the brightest star in the night sky, was meticulously planned. Regular ceremonies were held, during which the grandeur of the pyramids stood in contrast to the constellations above. For the Egyptians, these wonders of ancient engineering were intertwined with the cosmos, reinforcing their belief in the afterlife. The pyramids of Egypt tell tales of kings and stars, bound by the beliefs of the people who crafted them. Even thousands of years later, their celestial alignment and religious significance continue to fascinate and inspire. In ancient Egypt, the construction of the pyramids was more than just a building project. It was a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of a civilization that has transcended the sands of time. The pyramids demonstrate a combination of precise planning, effective technologies, and remarkable coordination. The planning process, led by gifted architects, involved choosing the perfect location and designing structures that would withstand eternity. With limited resources, the ancient Egyptians employed effective yet simple technologies. Ramps and levers were utilized to move massive blocks of stone, illustrating their mastery of physics even with the simplest of tools. Moreover, the exceptional coordination among thousands of workers showcased their unparalleled ability to organize and manage large-scale projects. Laborers, artisans, and managers worked together in harmony, contributing to a monumental effort that resulted in these magnificent structures. Today, the pyramids stand as a testament to the genius of ancient Egyptian civilization, inviting admiration from around the globe. They transcend time and space, continuing to inspire and intrigue modern engineers, historians, and travelers alike with their brilliance and resilience.